for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel so mesre and there your first time wa subscribe and click the notification bell on so am I. Metro send your obey e will screen so not just a way this so pepe am I here for breaking news at eba pa mo am support Shatawale no. Okay, send your subscribe and will screen so no. Na this is a pepe man. Pa mo am support Shatawale no. I can confidently say this is the biggest ever collaboration any Ghanaian musician enya, the biggest ever collaboration. Now we can say it's here for Beyonce. And you say Beyonce be Africa Beyonce and Ghana Beyonce, the real Beyonce, Jay-Z Yeri Beyonce, America Beyonce. Or yeah album. Now the album no and then or reveal the track list. Sana bro neighbors here track list. Ya question say Beyonce featuring Shatawale. You see, hey! And you say Photoshop oh, and you say Shatawale mpo ene release here. Shatawale and boss one true bia Beyonce nankasa ena o release artwork no. And you share say Njumbi also Beyonce featuring Shatawale. And you say, hey! Say ko nam ni ana say wo ye ejuma, say wo bo ejuma ena Ghana for asenkofo bebre enim. Etie for and then menia jiye papa say we share nsema akoso and there just and them at story ama menia ji na Stone Boy ye ni enim say mbrebi no ne Shatawale ekonto kwa no kra wote asem ne menia ji ama asema watro no tunu say enija banafem sakodian ni enim say sakodian so ne Shatawale ekonto kwa sakodian so ni aji ama nsema watro no tunu say enije ende sisi amene wo kase wo Twitter Shatawale din trend number 1 and a second Beyonce etie for and no ene nsema down na person me read asema Stone Boy say congrats on this one chai Ghana let's not sleep on this one. Shatawale features on the Lion King track list as the only Ghanaian out of 10,000 Nigerians. Them dead Ghana to the world pam. There's a Stone Boy a walk up pam out to say or no class no if real no say yes it's here for now this news there it is extremely big. Beyonce wow into no Beyonce posti we ya yehu ya na sana Shatawale be posti say oh Shatawale and Beyonce congratulations mene Beyonce ayese and I'm confused say we dey Shatawale yenim say what dey asem bia what the babon say but we dey why yade we keep it from Ghanaians ama Beyonce nankasa omo a wo ye album omo ankasa na release yansa yehu say woni Beyonce ayendwom etie for na we yenye say hey asem we dey etie for eso na me pese me call Twitter na me read nsema nkrofo eka efa this particular achievement we a big achievement so ni Beyonce be yanjum hey extremely big achievement you know if I say me kona me read comment ni bi ebe oba wo hwe nsema Shatawale so ultra utunu say nijensem I say in what is perhaps the most high profile collaboration the country has ever seen. Beyonce has featured Shatawale on the Lion King the Gift album, not just an album no Lion King the Gift album no on the Lion King the Gift album features top musicians such as Jay-Z, Childish Gambino, Kendrick Lamar, Wizkid, etc. That was more Beyonce a feature was her album no Jay-Z, Childish Gambino, Kendrick Lamar and Shatawale so taleho it's here for the same way there. Me dey make say what time Shatawale says saying a same way there say woman we need you because extreme Beyonce we here for Beyonce na sako there me pese we dey me ready answer na me call nsema Ghana for kan afa asem we ho no me ready asema sako there ankasa kan otumu say sako there so enije mbroso ena wode kasa na that's the biggest news I ever see breaking news and they say Beyonce we feature Shatawale on the album so we and say Photoshop send me din kan ekatel no and say Photoshop na asem asa akode etro no say welcome home Queen Beyonce officially. Big shout out to Shatta Wale and all our brothers and sisters on there. Big one for the culture. That is a sako dear cry. Yemi ayenim say nemwe wone Shatta Wale. To quiet some way no. Wono cry man na mu. Say Beyonce with your why you are there. Na Shatta Wale nankasa responding to this news. No see breaking news. Beyonce featuring Shatta Wale. Them never see wonders. Them never ever see wonders. They never see wonders. And Obiso say Shatta Wale has a track with Beyonce. It's over Jackie. It's here for and no any aseme that honko for any aji. Osha City FM for one of the to me no the top radio station in Ghana. Wamukra a reporter was so say Beyonce features Shatta Wale on Lion King album. It's here for. Now, me person me read the CTFM4 article. Now, whilst me read some response from Ghanaians. Obi say, man, do you know the level of self-restraint Shatta Wale has had to exercise to not say anything about the Beyonce feature? No be small. And no be can. Say, massa, Shatta Wale ayenima one bekan same way there. Utumi say, ye man ne sign krata say answer na Beyonce na kasa de news no be ba bonten no. Wono Shatta Wale no. And yes, what the news about one thing. And no name sema Bobika. Obi so say as we are congratulating Shatta Wale, Mr. Easy and other African artists, let's not forget Guilty Beat, who produced 3 songs on the Lion King album. It's here for not to say Guilty Beat and so Ghana new producer. I will produce 3 songs on that album. Not to say here for Yekoyenim Ghana Yekoyenim. Beyonce ex Shatta Wale injected. Obi say Shatta Wale was able to keep mute about a whole collaboration with Beyonce. Hey, non-disclosure agreement must be tight as hell. And only Nsema Wobinso Eka. Obinso said Beyonce created a masterful recording, a robust soundscape with some of Africa's most talented artists, including Wizkid, Yemi Alade, Shatta Wale, Mr. Easy, Burna Boy. But as I said, Shatta Wale is the only Ghanaian. It's here for a Nijisem. Such a proud or such a wonderful. Now, what shall send your answer no Shatta Konya no Shatta Wale in the first statement we be make it after this no or say I want to dedicate this honor to His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, even though Chrome Ayeshi. Into no Shatta Wale person say ana we are ebe wo pese wo dedicate Emma Nana Akufo-Addo. It's here for Obi say, why are the bloggers putting these Nigerian artists ahead of Shatta Wale when he is the only one to have a record with Beyonce? Should everything always be about Nigeria? For once, let's do the right thing. Shatta Wale's name has to be first among the rest. Media Nigeria for no family who Shatta Wale is the only Ghanaian Beyonce feature no. Media family who say Beyonce feature Nigeria new feature Nigeria new family who the minimal say Shatta Wale is the only Ghanaian Beyonce a feature no. So me, I'm very happy. I'm not talking about any Nigerian. Now me read the article now CTFM4 Ediaba now say Beyonce features Shatta Wale on Lion King album. In what is perhaps the most high profile collaboration of his career, dancehall artist Shatta Wale will be featuring on the Lion King album created by Beyonce. Beyonce created soundtrack titled The Lion King, The Gift, will feature new songs performed by multiple artists. Now, we say the lead singing of the soundtrack, Spirit, was released on the same night of the red carpet premiere of the 2019 remake of The Lion King. Shatta Wale has taken to social media to announce the collaboration, saying them never see wonders. It's here for say the album has been described as being influenced by the sounds of Africa. Beyonce said in a statement, the collaborations with African musicians were important because the film is set in Africa and authenticity and heart were important to her. Inti me person me reading Sema Beyonce okay I say this is a new experience of storytelling. I wanted to do more than find a collection of songs that were inspired by the film. It is a mixture of genres and collaboration. That isn't one sound. It is influenced by everything from R&B, pop, hip hop and Afrobeat. I wanted to put everyone on their own journey to link the storyline. She continued, each song was written to reflect the film's storytelling that gives the listener a chance to imagine their own imagery. While listening to a new contemporary interpretation, it was important that the music was not only performed by the most interesting and talented artists, but also produced by best African producers. Authenticity and heart were important to me. And only say my Beyonce aka. Now, we will follow the Lion King, some movie, tete movie now. O mo remake movie no. That movie no Beyonce play a role. E wo movie nim. Beyonce play a very big role. E wo movie nim. Into no movie nim na Emma Beyonce the throw album. And you feature Shatta Wale no. This is a big thing because movie no e be go viral. Some movie no there a world record movie. E be set a record. Na just say Shatta Wale njom e was some movie nim there it's here for a big. You know, this is an extremely big thing. Check what in our comment box no moment I say.